Unlocking the potential of your iPhone XR, multi-fingerprint recognition.
Hello and welcome to our new video tutorial. Today, we will discuss a question that many iPhone XR users have. Can I set up fingerprint recognition with multiple fingers on iPhone XR, or is it limited to just one? You'll be surprised by the capabilities of your device.
What is the default security feature in iPhone XR?
Before we jump to the answer, it's important to clarify the security features available on the iPhone XR. This model, in fact, does not support fingerprint recognition. Instead, it comes with the Face ID technology. This advanced facial recognition technology was introduced with iPhone X and is available in all subsequent models, including the XR. So, to clarify, there's no native support for multiple, or even a single, fingerprint recognition on the iPhone XR.
Is there a way to use fingerprint recognition on iPhone XR?
Now, you might be wondering, is there any way at all to use fingerprint recognition with my iPhone XR? The answer is not straightforward. Without any additional hardware, it's not possible. However, there are third-party accessories available in the market that provide fingerprint recognition. But remember, these are not Apple authorized, and using them may void your warranty.
Can I set up multi-fingerprint recognition on other iPhone models?
If you're thinking about getting a different iPhone model that does support fingerprint recognition, such as an iPhone SE, 2020, or earlier models like the 8, 8 Plus, 7, or 6S series, then yes, you can set up multiple fingerprint recognitions. You can use more than one finger, typically up to 5 different fingerprints. This means you can unlock your phone using any of these recognized prints. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the capabilities of your iPhone XR. Remember, while it doesn't natively support fingerprint recognition, it does come with advanced Face ID technology. And if you're using an older iPhone model, you can indeed set up multiple fingerprints for unlocking your device. If you have any other questions about your iPhone's features, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Happy exploring, and see you in the next video.